This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting the essentials ready. Plug in your Chromecast or confirm the TV has Chromecast built in, and make sure it and your Pixel 8 are on the exact same Wi-Fi network. Open the Google Home app, sign in if needed, and let it discover the device. Once the TV appears, select it and follow the short on-screen pairing prompts. This registers the TV to your account so you can cast seamlessly. Don't skip updates. New firmware often fixes casting bugs. Now you actually send content. Open the app you want to watch, look for the cast icon and tap it, then pick your Chromecast device. Alternatively, pull down Quick Settings and tap Cast to mirror your whole screen. Once done, the TV will show your phone's display. Make sure the phone stays near the router for best throughput and use the TV's volume controls for stable audio. If you're streaming video, let the app buffer a few seconds to avoid stutter during playback. Finish by stopping the cast when you're done. Tap the cast icon or the Quick Settings tile and choose Stop Casting. If the TV doesn't appear, restart your Pixel 8, reboot the Chromecast and power cycle the router, then try Discovery again. This clears many network hiccups. Also make sure no VPN or guest Wi-Fi is blocking devices. One quick troubleshooting tip: if video stutters, connect the Chromecast to Ethernet or move your router closer to reduce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.